All right, everybody focus back. Focus back. It's math time. Everybody say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Say, it's math time.
It's math time.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Learning math is really cool. I hope you think it's cool too. All right, is everybody ready for a math adventure?
Yeah.
So today we're going to be doing lesson 4. Lesson 4 is about results or changes unknown, and we're going to be continuing working with our story problems. So yesterday, I know you all seen in that story problem that we had, some of us were a little bit confused, right? Because we had never seen a problem like that because we were missing one of the components to help us solve the equation. So what is an equation? So an equation is a statement that it has two mathematical expressions that are equal. So you might see this, for example. An example of an equation would be 2 plus 2 equals 4. So y'all have to remember, anytime you're reading an equation, you have to include that equal sign. So would 5 plus 3 be an equation?
No.
Is that an equation?
No.
Why is it not an equation?
Because
Anaya, why is that not an equation?
it don't have this.
And what's that? Remember, I just told you that. What's that sign called?
Minus.
Not a minus. But
Equal.
equal sign. You gotta remember that in your brain. So if we don't got an equal sign, what is this called? Because y'all learned it.
Expression.
See, you know this. All right, let's keep it going. So this is an anchor chart, and this is Ellie the equal. Ellie the equal sign. So whenever you're doing your math and you're doing your equations, I want you to always keep Ellie in your head. So an equal sign, we call it that because it shows the value of expressions or an equation written on both sides. So it balances the equation. So what's written on your left side has to be equal to your right side. So if you got 8 plus 2 right here, 8 plus 2 has to be equal to what's on the right side. What's 8 plus 2? It's up there on the board. What's 8 plus 2?
10.
Okay, so the warm-up today, we're going to be looking at equations of 10. So an equation of 10, it means that the equation has to equal 10. So for example, if we're looking at 1 plus 9, everybody hold up one finger. Well, no, everybody hold up 9 fingers. Now let's add one more.
10.
So this would be an equation of 10. It has to equal 10. What does it have to equal?
10.
All right. So some examples that would not equal 10. Let's look at the first one. Somebody read that first problem to me. Xavier.
4.
The first one. What, you got to read the whole thing. So what do you see? It says 2 plus what?
2 plus 4 equals.
Not quite. I know you got it though.
2 plus 2 is 4.
You can't forget that. What's that sign I told y'all about?
Equal.
When you read it, you got to read the whole thing. So it says 2 plus 2 equals 4. Would this be an equation of 10?
2 plus 2.
No. And why not? Why would it not be an equation of 10? Jason?
Because it's the 4 like there.
Remember when I was telling you about equations of 10? They have to equal 10. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Does that equal 10?
No.
So is that an equation of 10?
No.
All right, y'all got this. All right, we're about to be doing a true or false game with equations of 10. So I'm going to give you an equation, and you don't blurt out. You're going to think first. And you're going to think about, is this a true statement or is it false? So when you got your idea and whether you think it's true or not, you're going to put a thumbs up. All right?
Okay.
Once you put a thumbs up, I want you to then talk to your partner. So after I see everybody's thumbs up, I'm going to have you talk to your partner about why you think it's true or why you think it's false. Does everybody got it?
Yeah.
All right. So the first equation says 10 equals 10. Does 10 equal 10? Let's think about it. Does 10 equal 10? Once you got it in your head, put your thumbs up.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Does everybody got it? Zainab, you got it?
1, 2, 3.
You got it? Put a thumbs up so I can know you got it. All right. And everybody turn to your partner. So it's going to be Anaya and Jason, Ruth and Naomi, Zainab and Angel, Neela and Xavier, Amaya, King. Okay, everybody's partnered up. So Brooklyn and Kaden. Everybody turn to your partner. Tell them why you think it's true or why is it false.
It's true because
Does 10 equal 10? Is it or false?
Because it makes 10 plus 10 equal 2.
Remember, is it true or false? And tell me why you think it's true or false.
Okay, what's
Are y'all talking? Y'all talking? Yeah, I did. Let it be. Y'all were talking. You gotta talk about it. So is it true or is it false? Once you and your partner are done, face back, everybody turn back to the front when you're done talking so I can know we're ready to move on and talk about it. Put a thumbs up and turn to the front. Are y'all finished talking to Mama and King, or are y'all still talking? Are y'all finished or still talking? Still talking? Okay. So whenever you're done, put a thumbs up so I can know your group is done. We got about one more group talking. All right. Remember, once you turn back to the front, you shouldn't be talking. All right. Sit up, JC. We still got one group working, so we have to wait patiently for them. Does 10 equal 10?
Yes. No. 10 equals 10
Does
plus
it?
10.
So to the people that said yes, who said yes? Put your hands up so I can see it.
Yes.
Why does it equal 10, Brooklyn?
Because wait a minute. I think you just have a dot.
Well, you don't have to look at the dot. We're just looking at the 10 equals 10. Does 10 equal 10?
No.
No? Okay, so why do you think it does not equal 10?
It's 2 10s.
Oh, Brooklyn has the mic. Why does it not equal 10, Brooklyn? King, sit up.
Because if you add a 10 to a 10, it just makes 10.
Okay. So for the people that said this is equal, I need to see one hand. So Brooklyn said it's not equal. Idris, why is it equal? Why do you think it's equal? What did you and Jax talk about? Why is it equal?
Because we not have no plus.
So is it equal or is it not equal? You think it's equal?
Yeah.
And why do you think it's equal?
Because we have 10 and we added 10 more, it's gonna be 20.
Right, 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay. So let's see. 10 equals 10. So for this equation, Katie, you have something you want to add before I tell you what it is? What do you think?
So there's no plus in this line.
Well, I know it's no plus. Okay. So I see what y'all are saying. Y'all are used to always seeing a plus, right? So for this question, I guess it could have been kind of tricky for you. So 10 actually does equal 10. Because it's the same number, y'all.
Yeah.
You don't always have to see a addition or a subtraction sign. So this equation is actually equal. When you have the same two numbers, they're equal because they balance it out, right? But if it said 2 equals 4, would that be equal? No, that would be false. So for this one, it's actually equal. Everybody have that? When you see the same two numbers, those are the same two numbers, so it balances out the equation. So this is actually a true equation. Let's try another one.
Try another one?
All right. 4 plus 6. Don't blurt out. Think first. 4 plus 6. Is it equal or is it not equal? Once you get your answer, push your thumbs up. When you get it, King, thumbs up, not down, thumbs up. You got it, Kaden? All right, I need to see a thumbs up. All right, so y'all tell me, is it equal? Is it true or false?
True.
True?
I think it's true.
True.
I think so. We all. I think it's true. True.
Amaya said false. So Amaya, you have the mic right now. Why is this a false equation? Why do you think it's false? So now we're getting thrown off a little. So the first one, y'all were thinking that since it didn't have